इन्फिनिटी क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। कल हमने फंक्शन के बारे में बताया था और इक्वालिटी ऑफ फंक्शन के बारे में बताया था। आज हम टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन के बारे में आपको समझाने जा रहे हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन मेनली ये 3 टाइप का होता है। एक तो होता है वन वन फंक्शन, जिसको हम इंजेक्टिव, नंबर 2 ऑन टू फंक्शन, जिसको हम कहते हैं सर्जेक्टिव, नंबर 3 होता है वन वन एंड ऑन टू, इसको हम कहते हैं बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन। वन वन बाय फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट वन वन फंक्शन, जिसको हम इंजेक्टिव भी कहते हैं। A function f from x to y is said to be injective, one one or injective, if f of x is equal to f of y, where x and y belongs to x, it implies that x is equal to y, or whenever x is not equal to y, then it implies f of x is not equal to f of y. That is, different elements of domain have different images. If the elements are different, so the image is different, then the function is called one one function. For example, that x is equal to a b c d, y is equal to 1 2 3 4, a goes to 1, b goes to 3 under f, c goes to 2, e goes to 6. Clearly, f from x to y is a function. It satisfies the definition of function, as all the elements of x are covered and each element have a unique image in y. A has 1, b has 2, c has 3, d has 4 and e has 6, and it is one one function, because here different element have different images. For example, a is not equal to b, so image of a is 1 and image of b is 2. 1 is not equal to 2. B is not equal to C, B has image 3 and C has image 4, where 3 and 4 are not same. C has image 2, D has image 4, B and D are not same, and 2 and 4 is not same. So this is a one one function. Another example, A via f goes to 2, b goes to 1, c goes to 3, d goes to 2. Clearly, f is a function but here f is not 1 1, but here f is not 1 1, because A and D are different elements, but f of A and f of D have same image too. A and D are different, but they have same image. So this function is not a 1 1 function. Note, if f from x to y is a 1 1 function and x and y are finite sets, then number of elements in x is always less than or equal to number of elements in y. Means y में एलिमेंट हमेशा x में से ज्यादा होंगे. अगर यहाँ पे x में 5 है तो यहाँ पे y में कितने हैं? 6 है. Onto function, we say surjective. A function f from x to y is said to be onto or surjective if for every y belongs to y there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y. That means for every y belongs to y there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y, means each element of y has a back pre-image in x. For example, a goes to 2, b goes to 1, c goes to 3, d goes to 4, e goes to 2. Clearly here f from x to y is a function and it is onto. Because as 1 belongs to y, there has a pre-image, 1 has a pre-image b belongs to x such that fb is 1. 2 belongs to y, there is a one here more than one element a and e such that f of a is equal to f of e is equal to 2. Similarly, for 3 belongs to y, there exists c such that f of c is 3. And 4 belongs to y, there exists d belongs to x such that f of d is equal to 4. That means each element of y has a pre-image in x, one or more. Note, if f from x to y is onto function, then range of f is equal to y and vice versa. Vice versa means if a function is onto, then range is y. If in case range of the function is equal to codomain, then the function is always onto. Number 2, if f from x to y is onto function and x and y are finite sets, then number of elements in x is greater than or equal to number of elements in y. In case of onto, elements in domain is always more than the elements in codomain. So next definition is one and onto. Bijective. Bijective function. A function f from x to y is said to be bijective if for every y belongs to y there exists one word extra than onto there is unique. We have added unique. Last definition onto we have not written a unique. It may be for each y there may be one or more, but here for every y belongs to y there exists unique, means one and only one x belongs to x, such that f of x is equal to y. For example, a goes to f, by f goes to 3, d goes to by f to 2, c goes to by f 1, d goes to by f 4. Here f is a function and it is bijective, and it is bijective function. Note bijective कैसे है, क्योंकि each element has a unique pre-image. One has only one pre-image C, 2 has only one pre-image B, 3 has only one pre-image A, 4 has only one pre-image D in X. Each element of Y has a unique pre-image in X. So this is bijective function. Note if f from x to y is a bijective function, then and x and y are finite sets, then number of elements in x is equal to number of elements in y. Because this is a bijective function, so it is also 1 1 and on 2. In case of 1 1, number of elements in y is more, and in case of on 2, number of elements in x is more or equal. So in case of both, the equality holds, mean number of elements in x is equal to number of elements in y.